A story of my life, presented by Marlene Rocío Ruales. On a Tuesday, December 21, 1993, a beautiful girl was born in her home with the help of a nice wife. That was me. I was born in a village in the municipality of San Miguel in the department of Putumayo, Colombia, half an hour from the border with Ecuador. My mom and dad were humble people who lived in the country and subsisted on it. When I was born, I already had a 6 years older brother. He was very shy when he saw me because he wanted me to have been born a boy to be able to play soccer with me. But it didn't take long and he was loving me and making me love. When I was 2 years old, my parents told me a very dangerous and painful anecdote, but at the same time very funny because nothing serious happened to me. They say that the place where we lived was a not very high hill, and it occurred to me to go out to say hello to my grandmother, who lived downstairs, and I fell on some needle plants and sprained my whole body. I ended up red as a tomato. I can't imagine how much I cried. Soon after, my younger brother was born, my lifelong fast partner. Accomplice of many mischiefs when we were children. We played a lot and also fought a lot, and my older brother was our caregiver or made fun of our fights. He no longer play much with us because he was already grown up. Siblings things. I remember my first day of school. I was 6 years old and I was very happy because I expected an uniform, 3 notebooks and pencils. The school was small and in my classroom we studied from 3 different grades and only one teacher is called Blanca. He was very charismatic and very good teacher. She had time for everyone. That happiness lasted very little, since at that time my people were going through a war of armed groups that took the houses and schools as treasures. At all times, we had to hide and throw ourselves to the ground due to the shootings that were taking place. At times, I didn't understand nothing of the why of those things. So, I saw it as something normal and part of our life. I didn't understand the danger we were running. So, my family I moved to La Dorada, which the municipality said just 5 kilometers away. I continued my studies there and made many friends. When I turned 15 years old, I was already a very sensible young lady, responsible responsible with my studies. Although a bit bored, I hardly went out with my friends for walks. I didn't like it, and now I regret that. But hey, at 17 years old, I graduated from school. We didn't have a graduation party. We only went for a walk to the pool. At 18 years old, I managed to enter the university in the city of Popayán. It was a very happy moment, but at the same time sad, because I had to leave my family and live alone. I was very afraid, but it was the best for my future. I was studying environment engineering, and I think it was not the best choice because I didn't like numbers very much, and in that career I had many, and it didn't go very well for me. I lost several subjects, and that depressed me. And I began to miss my family a lot. And I wanted someone to give me a little push to cheer me up. Then in the middle of my studies, when I was 21 years old, I got pregnant. I think it was a very heavy stage for me, since bringing a child into the world requires a lot of responsibility and economic and emotional stability. And I still didn't have it, but they are things of God very well planned, because that baby changed my perspective of the world and life in a positive way. Since he was in my womb, he taught me to value everything we have, to respect, to dream, to project myself, and to do things with courage. In short, my son was born when I was 22 years old. It was a somewhat painful and unforgettable experience. Today, I say that is it, the gift that God gave me to direct my life. Today, he is 6 years old. His name is Jaden, which means God has listening to. And he is a very intelligent boy. My husband is a very responsible and loving father who always gave me his support. Now we turn into my homeland, to my town, La Dorada. We live here and everything has changed and improved. They will wonder about my stories. Well, I didn't finish engineering. I decided to change to something that I like the most, and that is a degree in foreign language. For what reason I decided to go to UNAT to have more autonomy of my time, and I am happy with that, with what I am doing. This history to be continued.